The Aztecs had a rich culture and built some of the finest buildings in the region, particularly the temples and pyramids, which had unique architectures. Aztec architecture relied heavily on religion, cosmology, and astronomy. They incorporated rich symbolism in their grand temples and pyramids. It was inspired by the classical Mesoamerican civilizations, but the Aztecs added their own unique contribution to it. Aztec architecture was full of symbols. As we mentioned earlier, the Aztecs used symbols to add decoration, style, to incorporate their beliefs into the architecture. Here are some of the figures that were commonly used in Aztec buildings and architecture and what they represent. Eagles. The eagle was showcasing the sun and warriors. Serpents. Serpents highlighted water or fire. Conch shell. The conch shell was an important symbol of fertility. Frogs and sea creatures represented Tulloch symbols. These temples represent how the Aztec architecture is empowered by their desire to sacrifice to their gods and their religion and beliefs. The pyramids and temples always had double staircases that faced west towards the sun. The tops of the Aztec temples were flat and had a block made for sacrifices. The Aztecs primarily used tools such as stone, chisels, and blades for their construction. Building strong foundations was the main focus since the soil on the ground was susceptible to sinking due to the warm and often damp climate. To form the base of their constructions, the Aztecs used a colorful and easy-to-cut stone called tezontl. They mostly carved stone for decorations in order to give their buildings more texture and a visual punch.